We are going into the entrance of the new pistol range. We're going to walk down here. There's the rules and regulations sign. Take a right. Head down the handicap ramp. There's steel doors for entry for heavy equipment. There's all the rails going on down the ramp. Going down into the pistol area. Nice covered building. Target systems, bar none, are all push button. Going out. You can see a target from 0 out to 100 feet. Every crossbar is 10 foot. You can stop it anywhere you want. There's your stop. Don't go back a little farther. Hit the switch. There she goes. In order to bring it back, hit the switch. It comes back to us. You can shoot it there. We have 10 lanes like this. Everything is electric, automated, all ready to go. Got glass between all the stalls so everybody can see each other and have no worries. Y'all come visit Kdids Place Sporting Clay Range.